How to zoom in YouTube video. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom in YouTube videos on your YouTube app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, make sure that your YouTube app is updated. So open Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube and see that if any new update is available or not. If here it's showing open, that means your YouTube app is updated. So after you update your YouTube app, open your YouTube app and then play the video in where you want to zoom in. Then first you have to make that video full screen to zoom in. So make that video full screen and then you can zoom in like you do in pictures. You can zoom in 8x, and then you can move left, right, up and down how you want. And so this is how you can zoom in YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.